Welcome back to Top Moments TV and non-stop action. Today we will take you on a journey through all the dangerous mountain climbing timber truck scenes. Get ready for some epic scenes and amazing machinery. Driving a timber truck is a challenging and dangerous job. The giant trucks, carrying tons of heavy timber, have to overcome rough, narrow and sometimes slippery roads in the deep forest. The driver not only needs excellent driving skills but also a strong spirit to handle unexpected situations. The bulky truck carrying timber lumbered down the slope. Large bundles of timber stacked precariously on the bed. Suddenly, the brakes screeched, the wheels skidding on the slippery road. The entire vehicle shook violently before losing control. Tilting to one side, in the blink of an eye, it flipped over into the ditch on the side of the road. Timber pouring out of the bed like a waterfall, rolling everywhere. The frame of the vehicle was distorted. The front of the vehicle was heavily dented, and smoke billowed, creating a desolate scene in the middle of the deserted slope. Scenes of trucks carrying timber on dangerous roads always bring a feeling of heart-stopping suspense. Each giant truck, loaded with heavy logs, has to overcome winding, steep roads, even close to the edge of cliffs. The wheels roll slowly on slippery ground, sometimes swaying as if just a little carelessness can cause the truck to fall into the abyss. There are moments when the driver has to make daring turns, avoid obstacles or maintain balance when the truck tilts to one side. The roar of the engine mixed with the sound of the wheels grinding on the road makes viewers nervous. But the most impressive is the skill and courage of the drivers. They not only control the truck skillfully but also face dangers with calmness and high concentration. These scenes not only demonstrate the power of machines but also honor the resilient will of humans. The giant timber truck roared loudly, gliding through the muddy puddles in the deep forest. The large wheels with thick treads spun, splashing mud all around. The long body of the truck was weighed down by large, long logs, neatly arranged like mini towers on the back of the truck. The truck not only demonstrated the power of the machine but also honored the human will in the journey of exploiting nature. Despite the hardships, it continued to roll, carrying the pride of an entire profession attached to the forest.
Grave.
Under the sunlight shining through the tree canopy, the truck looked like a wild animal breaking free from a trap. The driver, with skill and patience, controlled the steering wheel firmly, making each turn of the wheel pass through the slippery roads. The sound of the engine mixed with the rustling of the trees created a majestic melody of the old forest. The truck carrying timber uphill is not only an image of hard work but also a symbol of the will to overcome difficulties and the strength of the forestry industry. The driver, with his eyes focused and his hands firmly on the steering wheel, must calculate every corner and incline to keep both the vehicle and the cargo safe. A small mistake can cause the vehicle to skid and fall into the abyss next to him. Every meter of the road is a dangerous challenge. but also a testament to the perseverance and resilience of both man and this powerful machine. Such as steep roads, sharp turns or slippery roads due to rain. Every time they steer, they have to concentrate to keep the vehicle balanced, avoiding the situation where the timber shifts or falls. The greatest pressure is when the vehicle goes downhill, because just a small mistake can cause the vehicle to overturn, endangering lives. However, it is the skill and strong will of the drivers that have made this job a symbol of courage and resilience. On the winding mountain road, the heavy truck carrying logs seemed to be struggling to overcome the arduous challenge. The long logs were tightly packed on the truck bed, making it look like a giant, slowly moving forward step by step. The roar of the engine echoed in the quiet space. Each wheel gripped the gravel road, trying to maintain balance on the steep, bumpy slope. On the winding mountain pass, the powerful timber truck moved forward. The hairpin bend seemed to test the driver's will and skill. The truck, with its cargo bed filled with huge logs, moved slowly but steadily. The morning sunlight penetrated through the forest canopy, reflecting a golden light on the body of the truck, creating a scene that was both majestic and poetic. The truck was like a resilient giant, conquering each dangerous road, carrying the life of the forest downstream. Each time it turned, the driver skillfully adjusted the steering wheel, his eyes never leaving the road ahead. The roar of the engine seemed to blend with the sound of the wind whistling through the cliffs. The wheels gripped the road tightly, even on bumpy and steep sections. Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.